Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this amazing Christmas poster design in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Further, I will use these colors. Go to the rectangle tool, and create a shape of the artboard size. Open the gradient panel. Select the eyedropper tool, and apply the colors to it. And apply radial gradient. Press G to adjust its gradient. Go to the Object menu, and lock the background. Go to the Polygonal tool, and create a triangle shape. Drag it from bottom. Then go to the Effect menu, Stylize and then Scribble. Follow my overall settings of it. Go to the Object menu, and expand Appearance. Apply this stroke profile, and increase its stroke weight. Follow me to adjust its lines from bottom and top. I have these elements, which I will use. Go to the Type tool and type your text. Follow my text settings. Select the tree stroke and expand it. And go to the Pathfinder panel, and unite them. Go to the Edit menu, copy and the paste in front. Apply the black color to it. And drag it to right side. And decrease its opacity to 0%. Again paste it. And apply black color. Select both, go to the Object menu, Blend and Make. Double-click on Blend option. Select its specified steps to 250. Right-click, Arrange and send it to backward. And decrease its opacity to 30%. Double-click on it. Select right stroke and rotate it. Paste the stars randomly. I have this background, adjust its size on the artboard. And decrease its opacity to 15%. Then center backward. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.